Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm going to share with you an order I placed with CraftieRattie for some custom made charms, and look, she's included a big bag of mini eggs. Thank you very much. Oh, and look how this is packaged, it's really lovely. And this is a note that's really cute, and we liaised over what sort of cabochons I would like for my shop, and she's packaged this so well and been very generous with those extras as mini eggs. So I think I should start with this little note. Oh look, it's so cute. So it's a really pretty little envelope. Oh, hope you enjoy your order. Love from CraftieRattie. That is such a nice touch. Thank you very much. Really sweet. Okay, so on to the cabochons, and I just love these bags with the silver dots. It's a really nice touch, very nice for a customer to open. And in the side we have the unicorn horns, which is what I ordered, and we liaised about the colours I wanted, what sort of size they would be. She was really accommodating, and I'm really happy with these. So I'm going to make a unicorn slime with one of these cabochons later on in the video. Oh, okay, this is really exciting. I ordered some marshmallow cabochons as well. So these are polymer clay. Look at these. They're really generously sized, large sort of marshmallow pieces, really nice colours, very pastel-y. I am so happy with them. So there's my order that I placed, and she was really good at providing exactly what I was after. So what do we have in package number 3 in this lovely silver polka dot bag? Ooh. Oh yes, excellent. Oh, they're so good. Little pizza slices and Weetos. Oh, well, they're just so good. Really good quality. I'm so happy with them. Thank you so much for including these as an extra. So do go check out her shop. She is really good. If you have something that you need that's not in the market in the UK, she will happily try and make them for you. So there they are, and I am going to move on to make a slime from one of my lovely unicorn horns. So I measured out 7 ounces in a 7-ounce screw top lid and 2 ounces in a little 2-ounce standard pot, and I'm going to go with this unicorn horn as a theme. Okay, so starting with 7 ounces of cloud dough, I'm going to scent it with blue raspberry slushy. This is a really nice scent, and I think it will go really well with the blue and pink theme. And of course, you guessed it, I'm going to mix it in thoroughly. So now the scent is thoroughly mixed in, I'm going to divide this into 2 pieces, and I'm going to colour one blue and the other one sort of purpley pink. So now the colours thoroughly mixed in, I'm just going to roll this up into a sort of sausage shape and put it to the side and colour the next piece. And now this colour is thoroughly mixed in, I'm going to put this to one side, and I'm going to, I think colours match nicely. I'm going to split these two so that I have 4 pieces, and then I'm going to roll them together and make a twist. Oh, doesn't it look great, just like that? So now I'm going to twist it. So now we have a lovely cloud twist, just like the unicorn horn, and I'm going to add some glitter on the outside. Just make sure that it's got a nice sort of liberal scattering all over. So now that's done, I'm going to add some of these random sort of glitters I got from Slime Pride UK. I just love these. They've got musical notes in, flowers, hearts, moons, stars, all these different colours, and I just think it goes so well with this vibrant, happy sort of unicorn theme. Okay, so I think this baby's about ready to pot up and it looks amazing. I just love all those little random glitters on the outside, the twist, the scent, and it really does complement that beautiful cabochon from CraftieRattie. So this isn't finished yet, I have something else to add. So remember, there's a 2-ounce pot of cloud slime I reserved earlier. I'm going to scent this with exactly the same blue raspberry slushy and mix that in thoroughly. And then what you do, it's a DIY slime, is assemble this yourself and you just stretch it, make a little sort of swirl and pop it on top. Then you will get a small sachet of sprinkles just to dot on lightly onto the top, as there are sprinkles throughout the slime around the sides. And of course the beautiful unicorn cabochon to pop on top. There you have the DIY unicorn slime that I'm selling in my shop currently, and this is what it will look like when you've assembled it. Don't forget to check out CraftieRattie. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!